GM freezes BrightDrop production in Canada. General Motors GM has paused production of its BrightDrop electric delivery vans at its CAMI Assembly plant in Ingersoll, Ontario, citing softer than expected demand. The halt temporarily lays off 1,200 workers and is set to last until October 2025. General Motors attributes the pause to a need to adjust its BrightDrop inventory and make production meet slower than expected demand rather than Trump's tariffs. The CAMI plant, dedicated to BrightDrop vans, has seen sluggish sales, with CBC News reporting that only 1,956 of GM's electric vans have been sold across Canada and the USA. The GM BrightDrop's high inventory levels further prompted the automaker to scale back operations. When GM's BrightDrop plant reopens in fall 2025, it will operate on a single shift, resulting in 500 permanent job cuts. During the downtime, GM plans to retool the facility for the 2026 BrightDrop van, signaling a strategic pivot to optimize future output. Despite the pause, GM emphasized its long-term commitment to the BrightDrop brand and the CAMI plant. The move underscores broader challenges in the commercial electric vehicle (EV) market, where adoption has lagged behind projections. Unlike passenger EVs, delivery vans face unique hurdles, including infrastructure limitations and cost concerns for fleet operators. GM's decision mirrors industry trends, as other automakers adjust production to match market realities. Regardless of the temporary production halt, GM remains focused on scaling BrightDrop. The scaled-down restart in 2025 aims to better align with demand while maintaining quality. Analysts see GM's pause as a pragmatic response to an oversupplied market. BrightDrop launched with high expectations and competes in a niche segment where rivals like Ford's e-Transit also face headwinds. GM's ability to adapt its production strategy could position BrightDrop for a stronger rebound when demand stabilizes. The layoffs and production freeze mark a cautious step for GM, balancing short-term challenges with long-term EV ambitions. As the industry navigates a bumpy transition to electrification, GM's moves at its CAMI factory reflect the delicate dance of scaling innovation amid market uncertainty. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Merano at teslarati.